In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth right away. Now use this switcher next to Bluetooth to activate it and wait for available options to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. If you are trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet, accept it manually on the second device. As you can see, after a few seconds, mine were successfully connected. To manage this connection, use this icon next to your device, when you can rename it. For example, if this device is your headphones, I would recommend to rename it starting with a letter A, because after you will connect multiple devices, this one will be first on the list. Go back. If you want to disconnect for now and connect later, hit disconnect and then tap on your device to reconnect to it. If you want to forget it altogether, just click on Forget this device and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Quick tip: if you will ever try to reconnect, name of this device will be the same one you set it up beforehand. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!